Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to open command prompt inside any directory, inside any folder. So this is required if you want to go to a specific folder inside the command prompt. Let's say you want to open command prompt inside documents. Just click this bar and type CMD and hit enter. So this will open the command prompt inside the documents folder. So this guide will help you to reduce time typing a lot of commands inside the command prompt to get inside any directory. Okay guys, this is a pretty simple, straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.